Hello everyone, this is part 2 of my series where I'm going over all the actions under the business rules within Power Apps. So last video we went over set visibility, set business rule, but today we're going to go over recommendation and lock and unlock, okay? So just to give a quick recap, last time we set the receive text and SMS logic to where once it's switched to yes, we want to show phone number, phone carrier, and also make them required. So now with the visibility, with the recommendation and the lock and unlock, we're going to say once a rating is selected, we're going to unlock the reviews field and recommend it, okay? So let's get right into it. Okay, so you want to go to make.powerapps.com, or if you're in your Microsoft 360 portal, you can just go to the Power Apps app, make sure you're in the right environment, head over to solutions, and I am doing mine in Common Data Service. So let's head over to our table, customization, business rules, new business rule. Okay, so we're going to name it review BR for business rule. Now we're going to get into our logical statement, okay? So remember guys, entity is another name for table and field is another name for column, okay? So we're going to do this based off of the rating. And our operator this time is going to be contains data. Hit apply. So now it's starting to write out our logical statement. And we want to first add our lock and our unlock. Okay. We want to make the reviews locked and we want to make them unlocked if the rating contains data. Wasn't saying unlocked. Okay, so let's drag over our recommendation. Okay, use unlock. Okay, so our recommendation is going to be on the reviews field. We're just going to call it review recommendation, but you can name this anything. It's just going to be the title, and the details is like a sentence right under the title, so you can just say we recommend you to add a review. Okay, so we're going to hit apply, and now we have to add details. We'll just make this really quickly clear, okay, so that they can type whatever they want to type into the box. So let's check this really quick. Unlock clear reviews. Okay, so let's save it. And then activate. Activate again. Okay, so now let's head over to our app. You see it just popped up here. Let's hit play on our app. Go to our customers table, and now you see it's unlocked, right? Can't type anything. However, once I add my rating, now I can type whatever I want to type. And if you click on this light icon, now you see your recommendation popped up, okay? And so you notice this apply thing, right? Nothing happens when I click this, okay? So we're gonna change that, okay? Let's just say this is a bad case, but let's just say you want to add something there that they can't change, right? So you would need to lock this, okay? So let's lock it, hit apply, and go to our action. And let's say instead of it being clear, you want to add a value, and we want to add the product was amazing. Okay, So we hit apply, activate. Activate one more time. And let's rerun this app. Head over to customers, new. As you can see, I can't type. I add a rating. The recommendation comes up, but now I can't type. But if I hit apply, now you see this product was amazing. Okay, so that is how you will use the actions recommendation lock and unlock. Next video, I will be going over show error message, set field value, and set default value.